Alright guys, get ready, because today we're diving into RollerCoin, and trust me, this isn't just some click and wait crypto simulator. This is one of the most unique, rewarding, and actually fun crypto mining games out there. Let's dive into detail. Since launching back in 2018, RollerCoin has built up a massive player base, over 5 million people worldwide, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. In the past year alone, they've paid out around $10 million in real crypto rewards. That's right, 10 million. And users are cashing out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, Solana, TRX, Matic, and more. You can literally see the withdrawals happening live in the stats section. This is not just for show, this platform pays. And the reviews? People love it. Just head over to Trustpilot. RollerCoin is one of the top-rated crypto games out there, with thousands of solid reviews backing it up. Players talk about consistent payouts, helpful support, and a game that just keeps growing and improving. Now, if you're thinking mining crypto sounds complicated or boring, think again. RollerCoin takes the mining concept and turns it into a full-on strategy and casual gaming experience. You don't need fancy hardware, you don't need to burn electricity, and most importantly, no ID checks, no KYC. You sign up instantly, jump in, and start building your own mining empire from scratch. Once you're in, you'll be setting up your very own mining room. This is where you install virtual miners on racks to generate hash power. The more power you build, the bigger your share of the global reward pool, which distributes real crypto every 6 minutes. It's not just a gimmick. The mechanics are real and work just like a mining pool, only it's gamified. And how do you earn power? That's where it gets fun. You've got over a dozen casual mini-games that boost your mining power every time you play and win. Games like Token Surfer, where you collect coins in a fast-paced endless runner. Coin Flip, which is all about speed and precision. Crypto Hamster, where your little hamster races down a track while you guide him to victory. There's also 2048 coins, Flappy Rocket, Dr. Hamster, and loads more. These games aren't just time killers, they directly impact how much crypto you earn. But RollerCoin goes way beyond just mini-games. They've added expeditions, a whole new game mode where you explore different zones, complete missions, and unlock exclusive rewards. It adds a fresh layer of progression and strategy. Then there are hamsters. Yep, adorable but powerful helpers that each have special traits and bonuses. These aren't just cosmetic, they genuinely boost your mining capabilities. Seasons are a huge part of RollerCoin too. Each season lasts about 80 days and comes packed with exclusive content. You get daily and weekly quests, collectible items, and a dedicated season store where you can spend roller season tokens earned through gameplay. It's like a battle pass system, but way more rewarding, especially if you stay active. There's also the task wall, where you complete offers, watch videos, install apps, or take surveys to earn RLT, the main in-game currency. You can use RLT to buy miners, racks, upgrades, and bundles. No crypto in your wallet? No problem. You can earn everything in-game. On top of that, there's crafting and merging, a system where you can create custom miners by combining parts. Want something rare and powerful, you can literally build it. And then there's the marketplace, where you can buy, sell, or trade miners and items with other players. The entire in-game economy is live, and prices shift with player activity. Weekly live ops events keep things fresh. You've got loot boxes with chances to win ultra-rare miners, time-limited bundles, flash sales, and ranking competitions on the leaderboard, where the most powerful players battle it out for fame and big rewards. And if you want a jumpstart, right now, you can get a free Nirvana miner that gives over 1 million gigahash per second, just for playing during the current event. Plus, new users can claim a 1,000 Satoshi bonus just for registering. Pros? Honestly, too many. Instant sign-up, fun gameplay, steady income potential, regular updates, loyal community, real payouts, constant events, and it's actually enjoyable to play. Cons? Sure. If you're inactive or don't participate in quests, your mining power can decay over time. And if you want to climb the ranks super fast, you might need to spend or grind a bit. But even completely free players can progress and earn with time. So to wrap it up, RollerCoin is way more than just a mining simulator. It's a living, breathing crypto economy with real payouts, real strategy, and real fun. Whether you're here to game, earn, or both, this one's worth checking out. Hit the link below, register, claim your Satoshi bonus, and start building your mining empire today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and get ready for more deep dives into the best blockchain games out there. Catch you in the next one.